Unlock incredible savings with up to 40% off at the ESL Wash, Dry and Save sale event. Upgrade your laundry routine with unbeatable discounts on inverter washers, dryers and all-in-one combo units. Our cutting-edge energy-efficient washers are built to conquer even the toughest stains while keeping your energy bills low. Need fast, flawless drying? Our dual smart sensor dryer is engineered for perfection, delivering optimal drying results every time. Whether you prefer a versatile side-by-side or space-saving stack setup, we've got you covered. Short on space or budget? No problem. Our ESL all-in-one washer-dryer combos is the perfect compact living without compromising performance. Don't miss out. Call us, visit our website, or stop by our stores to grab these amazing deals and see how ESL makes laundry day easier and more affordable than ever.